owning 0.33 Bitcoin will be a huge deal, and you'll potentially be able to retire young just with 0.33 Bitcoin. And so we look here, I've just played with some numbers and projected bull run tops, bear market lows, and then an end of cycle recovery from 4-year periods. So 2024 to 2028, we saw maybe bull run top might be 385,000 for this bull run. We've seen it recover from $40,000 at the start of 2024 and then reach beyond 100,000 today. And it feels like the bull market has barely even started. So I like to project maybe a 212,278 end of cycle recovery as we go into the next bull run, kicking off in 2028, and then that will go all the way to 2032. So over the next 4 years after 2028, we might see a bull run top of 1.6 million, bear market low of around 300,000, and then an end of cycle recovery close to 1 million. 2032 to 2036, we see maybe a $4 million Bitcoin in that period, a bear market low of 800,000, and then an end of cycle recovery 2.4 million. 2036 to 2040, we might see a $9 million Bitcoin with a bear market low of 1.8 million and then an end of cycle recovery of 5.4 million. 2040 to 2044, we could potentially see that $13 million Bitcoin peak. That might be at the 2040 end or the 2044 end, closer to 2045. But yeah, $13 million is potentially what we could be seeing, with a bear market low of around 2.6 million and an end of cycle recovery around 7.8 going into the next 4 years. So we really could see a $13 million by 2045. And I like to play around with this volatility and actually project what's possible. I think it could be much higher than that, but it also could just settle much lower. Like even if we had a $5 million Bitcoin in 20 years from now, that is still huge growth and something you want to be holding. Now for my next slide, I've got projected Bitcoin price if it was just to steadily go up without this volatility, and we can see how it eventually reaches $13 million with a 28.5% annual growth. And that can just sort of show you like Bitcoin could potentially continue to do 40 to 50%. So we could see, a $20 million Bitcoin in 20 years, but this is just looking at a 28.5% average annual growth. And then down here, if you were to DCA monthly into Bitcoin, if you put in $200, approximately you would end up with $48,000 in 20 years of investing. So you've put in $48,000 into Bitcoin, and then maybe you've only accumulated 0.067 Bitcoin because Bitcoin's price is getting away from you. This is obviously with hypothetical prices, but you can't even get to 0.1 Bitcoin with the Bitcoin price getting away. But if you're doing $500, then you've invested 120 grand over 20 years. And that is projecting potentially a 0.167 Bitcoin accumulated. So you're halfway to 0.33 Bitcoin. But what if you did $1,000 a month, so around $12,000 a year, then you end up with $240,000 invested into Bitcoin, and you potentially have reached a 0.335 Bitcoin target, which would be worth around $4.29 million US in 2045 if Bitcoin's price reaches $13 million a coin. So if you can just set aside $1,000 a month from today and do that for the next 20 years, play around with the numbers and maybe see what volatility you think is possible, but we really can't know. All we know is Bitcoin grows over time. Then yeah, you could potentially reach that goal of 0.33 Bitcoin in 20 years and you could have around $4 million. So that's pretty good. Like if you ask me, do I think I could get to $4 million in cold cash in the bank, not just tied up in investments in 40 years from now, so I'd be 41, I'd say no, I've got no chance. Whereas if I'm saving in Bitcoin, it's very possible, almost likely. And then we look here, just assuming Bitcoin's price goes up significantly over time, we can see what the value of 0.33 Bitcoin would be in US dollars. So if today's price, Bitcoin with 0.33 Bitcoin holdings would be $34,320, $200,000 Bitcoin would be $66,000, $500,000 Bitcoin, $165,000, $1 million Bitcoin, $330,000, $5 million Bitcoin around 1.6 mil, $10 million Bitcoin around 3.3 mil, $13 million Bitcoin around 4.3 mil as well, and then $25 million Bitcoin one day, which would be worth around $8,250,000 holding just 0.33 Bitcoin. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I just wanted to talk about how significant that 0.33 Bitcoin would be worth. So that's a third of a Bitcoin. If you can get that today, or you can get that this year or next year, try and get to that early, because it's going to get harder and harder to buy over time. And we see even with 20 years of consistently investing, you can only get to 0.33 Bitcoin. So smash buy today if you can. Don't worry about the DCA. Get as much of it as possible, because it's not going to matter whether you bought it at 110,000 or 100,000 or 90,000 when Bitcoin's price is 13 million. Cheers guys for watching. Subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, use my referral link for Caleb and Brown, sign up with those guys. These guys will fast track you to a one-on-one brokerage service. They're 24/7 phone calls, emails, really helpful, and 0 fees on withdrawals. Appreciate it guys.